Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. As an interior enthusiast and a content creator, I always love to experiment and style my home with different decors and DIYs. And IKEA is one of my favorite stores where I can find affordable, classy and DIYable products to create an aesthetic home in budget. Today I will share a few tips on how I have styled them in my home. Recently I have visited IKEA Hyderabad and bought a couple of things for my home and kitchen. I will make a separate video for this kitchenwares. In today's video, I will share my experience with this home interior products and my recommendations. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. So, let's get started. I would like to start with the oldest member in our family, this floral curtain. Made out of high quality cotton canvas cloth, very thick and long lasting. Because it's been over 4 years I have been using it, it has gone through innumerable washes but still holding the color and the texture so well. This curtain enhances the interior style in our living room. I love the floral design on white background, such a statement fabric yet so subtle in nature. Definitely an eye soother and one of my favorite summer curtains. To give it a nice little custom look, I also bought these cushion covers along with the curtain from the same range. These two are 16 by 16 and these two are 12 by 12. This yellow curtain is so cheerful and a perfect summer color too. To protect our washing machine and the plants from harsh sunlight, I drape curtains on our balcony every summer. When the yellow one is in wash, I use this white one as well. Cool, soothing white with lovely detailing. I have shared the individual names of the products to help you with the search if you live near any IKEA stores. And you will find a couple of online links in the description box too, which are sold by third-party sellers. Dressing up your windows and doors of your home has so many aesthetic benefits which directly impact how your home interior looks. I bought this Roman blind from IKEA during October last year to dress this kitchen door to soften the visual. I really love this mute green stripe and the fabric is machine washable, which means you can wash the dirt and the grease easily. This is how the space was looking before I added the blind. And this is the after. A perfect, affordable and ready-made solution for any window or door. We redid this vanity space during our last home renovation and I needed a very simple yet elegant vanity light. We are using this wall lamp here. The brass finish is very subtle, the frosted cone has a very elegant look and overall it blended so well with this all white look of this small vanity space in our home. We have paired it with a smart home wireless dimmer. You can dim it at night and use it as night lamp while no one is in the room to save energy, and I set it to the highest bright setting while I get ready or do my skincare. With the help of this remote, you can switch on or off the light from anywhere in the room. The fluted or ribbed glass is dominating the interior design market right now. I so wished to add one, and when I saw this hanging pendant lamp and that too at this price range, I couldn't pass it on. A new addition in our living space, it is a perfect mood light here in this corner, creates beautiful shadow and texture on the wall during evening times, which makes our living space so cozy and comfortable. This table lamp is also from the same family. Kept it right beside the TV unit as an ambience light. With a beautiful brass tone and fluted glass dome makes it a cute yet elegant lamp and nevertheless matches our living room interior seamlessly. You all know how rattan or wicker or our very humble cane weaving grabbed all the attention of interior designers in the past couple of years. And this one ticked all the boxes to enhance the interior aesthetics in your home. It was a Diwali wishlisted item for me, and the warm tone, natural material and the weaving cane look definitely a keeper for the coming years. Right now it is on our oven cabinet, using it as a night lamp in the kitchen. Adding small pieces is an affordable way to keep upgrading your home interior with new and sustainable interior design trends. I will go for a healthy, beautiful live plant over artificial ones any day. But some parts of our home do not get any light. Plants do not survive in those dark corners, and it's not convenient for many of us to buy fresh flowers or keep plants and take care of them every day. To brighten up these dark corners, I love these artificial flowers or branches from IKEA. They look almost real if you do not touch them. I already had this lily, this potted orchid, these pink poppies and this sunflower stems. When these flower stems and branches are decorated using vases and baskets, they can be a whole new statement piece, adding an exquisite look in your home interior. I will be sharing a few ideas in next chapter. In my last trip, I bought this potted plant, these shrub branches, and these dogwood pink flower branches. I have a couple of vases and plant pots in our home, let me share, and mostly they are all my favorites. This metal vase or jug is a very popular one and a real winner. We can use it as a water jug. In their website, it has been mentioned as tested and approved for food contact. But I have seen that most people are using this one as a vase. I am keeping it on our kitchen countertop to hold these pretty pink poppy flowers. See, it added so much interest in this space. You will take a glance definitely whenever you come to my kitchen. This one is a glass vase, a very basic one and definitely DIY-able. It will look lovely as a tabletop decor. Put a single stem of a flower and any boring space can feel lively with this small change. These two plant pots are so pretty. Off-white base with tactile dots, or probably it's also called as hobnail patterns. The color and the details are quite soothing, and I especially love this scallop edge design. I kept the potted orchid plant inside this big one on our dining table, and this small one is for our coffee table. This plant pot is a new addition in our living room. It is a woven rattan with 2 handles. I was searching for an artificial small tree to keep in this dark corner of our living room, as no live plants could survive more than 5 or max to max 6 months here, but I am not able to find one. As of now, I am keeping this areca palm here, but it needs sunlight. So every Saturday, I need to keep it on the balcony, and this plant pot with a handle will be easy for me to do the job every week. Hope the plant will survive here this way. I have these 2 mirrors from IKEA. This mirror has that old world charm. In India, what we refer as a wrought iron look. You will get plenty of DIY options to upgrade this mirror and make it look custom and personal. Right now it is in our guest bedroom, helping to create an affordable vanity setup. After placing this side cabinet here, I hung a painting, but realized the space feels very closed because of this partition, and everything is so rectangular here. Needed something round to create a visual interest. After adding this mirror, you can see the whole space has opened up. And don't forget to scale the area or furniture when you are placing any mirror. The mirror, the sideboard and the decor all together created such a lovely coherence. Do you have any IKEA products in your home? Which one you love the most? Let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for being here with me today. Do subscribe to Home #Life and do share and like the video if you found it useful. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.